Welcome to Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima bathroom. Today I am just in a hurry. Just I came back from outside and I want to share a recipe. It's a very good recipe with Shapla. We Bengali often cook Shapla as a sukto, but today I am going to prepare a recipe Shapla and fish, a Rohu fish. I have some leftover raw fish tails, Leja. So I am going to prepare a recipe Shapla diye Leja Jhol. So let's go to the recipe. And I will show you from the scratch how to cut the shapla, clean it, and then prepare the very easy shapla or leather jhol. Let's go to the recipe.
And this is how cut and clean the shapla. We don't use the flour in this recipe, only the stems we will use.
To prepare this shapla leja jhol, what I have, this mache leja, the fish tail. I am using the small one. This is rohu or rui, and we can prepare it with katla as well. And cumin powder, Kalo Zeera or Kalonji, salt, and this one is turmeric powder, haldi, and tiny chili. You can use more. And the main ingredient, shapla. I just cut into this kind of pieces. So let's start the cooking. I will start marinate the fish with turmeric and salt, and then I will fry in mustard oil. And I will make a paste. I have this cumin powder, turmeric powder and salt, and I will add some water and I'll make a paste. So I have this water and I'm making the paste and I will keep it aside. So this is the paste I will use. And I will marinate the fish with salt and turmeric. I have to use hand. So here, and then I will fry it in mustard oil. And now I will heat some mustard oil to fry these fish tails or mache leja. This is the teeniest one. I love my mache leja like this. I don't like the big one. So very carefully I have to fry it. It can splutter, so be careful. Have to fry the both side and then keep it aside. So it's almost done. I won't deep fry it. Lightly fry the leja pieces because I will prepare the gravy. Switch off the gas and I will keep it aside. And I will cook in this same oil. So it's done. Now I will add the masala. I will prepare the masala and gravy first. So Kalonji, once it is splutter, I will add the masala paste I prepared. So I'm adding the paste over here. And some water as well. I'm using water so that the masala won't burn. Already I have salt in it, and when I was frying the fish I added salt. Now I will add the shapla and green chili. Red chili I'm using, you can use green chili. Just give it a stir and I will add little bit of water and cover it. and cover it for 5 minutes till the gravy is done. Let me see if the gravy is done or not. Carefully. Okay, it's almost done. Now I will add the fish, the fried fish. And then I will cover it again for few minutes. And I can feel the aroma. Let's see if the fish is done or not. So it's done. The quick recipe with Shapla and Leja Jhol is done, and it's ready to serve with garam bhat or plain white rice. For more recipes like this, please subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu on YouTube. You can see the review in Google Madhurima's Kitchen, and you can follow Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page or Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen. And if you want to place order, you can go through directly Zomato Madhurima's Kitchen, or you can contact me directly from Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen. Thank you.